the party from Delhi, they have given a green signal that we have to contest. BJP have to contest the election, but invitation of application we have not heard. Then yes, that day we have the foundation day, just 2 days ago, foundation day of the party, 47 foundation day of the party. So we were there, but they said we have not. They only from the they have given a green signal to the president. So we are yet, this president is yet to call the application.
But are you willing, sir, if the opportunity comes?
You see, I am a party disciplined soldier of the party. If the party high command or the state command came to contest, so as a disciplined soldier, I have to go to the battlefield and fight. Set up country. So anybody, even an individual or organization, this that whatever they feel they have a rights to approach the government to the government. So it depends on the government to decide. But any suggestion given by individual or any organization, the government, any submission, the government accepted those applications and they examine whether they can whether they can do it or not. It will examine. You cannot see that just today you have given an application, tomorrow we are getting it. I am a disciplined soldier of the party. If they say, Sanbor, you go, you do this, you do that, for the good thing, for the betterment of the people of the state. So I am here to do that, to follow, to comply with the directive of the party high command. Will sweep in Assam. BJP again will retain the power in Assam, and Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarmaji will again continue as the Chief Minister of Assam. That is for no doubt.
And any anti-incumbency will be there?
There is no anti-incumbency in Assam. So that's why we have, based on the information, based on the campaigning, based on the support of the people, everywhere, Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma and other party leaders from Delhi, wherever the campaign, you see lakhs and lakhs of people are responding, coming. So it means they are responding, they are attending the rally. It means they have decided to support the BJP.
But Sanbor ni imo mata ka
Man be laraja ba ka ki nong jong ka ri khasi jantia jongi laipun ru klik seats ki Punjab ya UMP BJP ki Punjab da ka BJP kumu MP tekemut ka kini ki issues concerning the interest of the people of our state la ki dei na ki seng bahalangi baper kam ya ka ILP bat ka each schedule ne ka ba danglong pending tekemut igine lala ban ya tikop tekemut ken kam sengap ba ken but maybe lara job ka BJP BJP kumi kine ka state ke ban yo decision ban ayah kita ban fulfill the long aspiration of the people of Kasi Jantian Garu State.
ko ba di people na supa ba halor kan gani bentawat.
Am kata ke ngong ba pi gidi pa ba gidi bani ke. Hapo Delhi, hapo ki BJP ruling states ki yo do gadut bakangap kan bagi ang yo lut. Te hangi ne bagi menang ban tebu. Ki priang ya ke BJP. Ne ki scheme bat baro ke BJP ka. Ki pa ba ki tip dia ta baro. Ki sanpo sistem ko sarkar ka kongres bat ki ki sensyar mden ye ndawan ka BJP bat ndawan ka MDA government hapo ke jalam jong Chief Minister Conrad Sangma daga ngia trailang within a short span of time, within 8 years now ay ka development pinpek ki national highway ki surok linti singkien pinpek ki school pinpek ki college pinpek ki university pinpek paro ki sector paro ki development pi yo